Hello, my name's Vickie-Marie. Welcome to my channel, Yoga with Vickie-Marie. For today's video, we're going to be doing a how-to do Sun Salutations A. Sun Salutations are an amazing way to begin warming up the body in preparation for a further practice or enjoying on its own. So I will begin to demonstrate the 8 key poses within Sun Salutations A, and then we'll begin to practice that flow of Sun Salutations together. So to begin with, our first pose is Samasthiti. Feet are hip width apart or maybe toes together. Hands together at the heart space, pressing the finger pads towards each other. Samasthiti. Our second pose is mountain pose, releasing the hands, palms facing forward. Third pose is upward salute, arms going up overhead to your comfort zone. They might be quite wide, maybe palms coming together. Our fourth pose is a forward fold, so softening the knees, hinging at the waist, letting the hands begin to come down towards the earth. They might be dangling or in contact. Fifth pose, halfway lift, palms to thighs, shins, or peace fingers to the earth. Next pose is plank, planting the hands, stepping back with the feet, coming into a high plank or a foundational plank, releasing the knees, toes are tucked. We'll begin to come into our cobra, knees, chest, chin. So beginning to release the chest and the chin down to the earth and slithering forward, releasing the belly and the pelvis. Untucking the toes. I like to lengthen the legs coming into a cobra, but it's yogi's choice. Hands are near the upper rib cage, and you're going to gently press into the hands, lifting the chest and the gaze. Only a few inches or so. Cobra. Our 8th and final pose is downward dog. So beginning to release the cobra, tucking the toes, and beginning to press your hands back up onto your knees, and then downward dog, sending the sit bones up towards the ceiling or the sky. Now within a Sun Salutation flow, you would walk your feet to the hands, coming back to a halfway lift. Again, the hands to the thighs, shins or peace fingers. Forward fold. Inhaling the arms up to your upward salute. And then down to Samasthiti, hands into the heart space. So those are the 8 poses within a Sun Salutation, and a brief demonstration of how we come back to the beginning of our Sun Salutation. So we're going to practice those poses together in a flow within a Sun Salutation A. So when you're ready, coming to the top of your space, fingertips and palms together, Samasthiti. Exhaling to Tadasana, mountain pose. Upward salute. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Planting the hands, stepping to your plank. High or foundational. Knees, chest, chin. Cobra. Releasing our cobra, tucking the toes, coming onto the knees. Downward dog. Walking, stepping, or hopping the feet to the hands. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Upward salute as you inhale, taking the arms up overhead. And then our Samasthiti, hands into the heart space. And that is a how to do Sun Salutations A. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos or flows, please check them out in the description. Otherwise, hit subscribe and like, and I'll see you again soon.